Here's a question for you. What if breaking free from anxiety wasn't a matter of willpower, but a matter of guitar? Obviously, there's more to it than that. But what if it's more or less about routine than it is about willpower? What I find completely amazing is that I struggled with anxiety and addiction practically my whole life. But magically, it's gone. That's the truth. But here's the cool thing. I was afraid of what it might be like to give up my addiction. I thought there's no way I can do that. That's impossible. And I thought there's no way I could do it because that's what provided the relief. But here's where the magic occurs. Not only did I give up my addiction, the anxiety is gone also. Here's an example. So I have a G chord and I have a C chord. And if I breathe in just before strumming the G chord, and then I strum while breathing out, and I'm mindful while doing it, then I'll start to notice some things happen. My shoulders will start to relax. My posture will kind of autocorrect. I just become more aware of the things that I'm doing that are uncomfortable. Not only is my anxiety gone, there's no longer a struggle. That's all gone. There is no fear of letting it go or having to give it up. It's just not there. And I think it's not there because I've replaced it with this. So if you've ever had anxiety or battled with the addiction stuff, you wouldn't wish that upon anybody. But if you overcame that, and this is going on year 3 for me now, then there's no way you're going to be able to hold that back. I mean, that's like amazing news, the gospel. So anyway, that's kind of where we're at with this. Let's go back into this guitar activity. You breathe in, you strum while breathing out. That sounds incredibly simple, doesn't it? But if you keep doing it consistently, day in and day out, and you add more to it, of course, then before you know it, you are rerouting your thoughts and the way that you think. And you are noticing the relief and the calm that I was desperately trying to achieve through my addiction. Then eventually, you make it a little bit more difficult and you add a C, maybe even a D. And when all that seems kind of like, okay, I got it, I'm ready for more, then you repeat the same breathing and mindfulness process while picking. And you can get into a flow state where you forget where you are. And you relax and you find calm. It's a wonderful replacement. And the beauty of it all is it's easy. This is the easy way. So hope that helps you out if you're struggling with anxiety. And if you're approaching, say, the weekend and you get a little nervous around, oh, great, we're going to be drinking heavily again or whatever the case may be, you have an out. Just saying, you got an out. So there's links for you in the description, and there's good news. It gets better. And that, my friends, is a fact. All right? So keep it simple and be good to yourself. And I hope to see you around. Subscribe, like, pass it on to people that could use it. All right? It's real. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.